Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my best friend Jalen.
I wanted to hide.
So I know we haven't hit 100 fans yet, but
This is like I don't even know
I
what's
really
going on
wanted
right
to
now.
post this video, so I'm sorry. So today we're making slime.
We went to the dollar store, like everything that is on this table except these two things, which is just pink.
Okay,
and
don't
activated.
show them everything yet, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we got was this glue. So we
White
don't know if
glue.
it's gonna work because it's washable.
I don't know.
So we'll have to see.
The second thing that we got is
We have a knife for mixing
yeah,
glue.
it's just a
Don't
regular
report this video, guys. It's a butter
It's
knife.
a butter knife.
You're fine.
The second thing we got is this plastic container to put our slime in.
We got some beads.
Crunchy. And that was really it. This
We got this crappy
Yeah.
slime too.
it's like the crappiest thing ever.
Okay.
And it,
And
like,
if
puts
our
glitter
slime
all
doesn't
over.
work, then we're just gonna show you guys that slime.
Okay.
We got
So-
some paint and our activator.
Well, that's just basically what I have at home.
And our pretzel.
Yeah, we're picking out.
Okay. So let's start. First thing
This thing we're gonna do. I'm sorry, my mouth is full. Then you open up your glue, which we already opened because we were bored.
pour it in slowly.
Yeah, I don't have time for that.
It won't open that way. There we go.
Yay! Would you come out, please? Please? Yeah!
Oh, okay. Don't get glue on my phone.
It's all bloop. That's good for the first amount.
No, pour all of it.
Well, we can make one that's just white and then one that's blue.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is probably
I'm
gonna
putting
be
the
our.
wrong part on.
Should this be the blue one or the white one?
This one?
Okay,
This one will be the blue one.
so this will be the blue slime. We're gonna
And then
go.
we'll make a white one after this.
We're gonna go ahead and add in the paint. We add in crunchies last, just
Yeah.
because we're weird,
Because we're very straight.
and that's just what normal people do. So
Well, actually, some people do add it to their glue, which I don't think you're supposed to. I don't personally think that you should, but
okay,
if you do,
Now
we're
mix-
not judging you, okay?
mix that around.
I don't want a dark blue. I kind of wanted a light blue.
Yeah, that's why you added a very small amount. I think a light blue would look good. It's like already starting to activate, kind of.
Just the tiniest bit.
So we're gonna see if this glue works. If not, we're just gonna show you
The creation. I
and
think it'll work.
the other slime.
And then
Hand me a pretzel.
this. Oh,
We dropped the
this is
pretzel.
mine. This is just borax activator. It's like I personally really like borax activator. It's really good. Oh, this is gonna work.
Okay, you can activate it.
Oh. Oh no. No. This normally does happen with borax activator. I've noticed with the videos that I watched and personal slime making creations.
So this
It,
is a
looks
slime tutorial.
crappy at first, but
This is a slime tutorial, guys. Just letting you know.
it's crunchy slime. I've only made one crunchy slime. And it wasn't even oh my gosh. And it wasn't even real crunchy slime. It just
Okay,
had
so
beads in it. And it didn't
This
even
is
crunch.
kind of working.
It's sort of activating. It's getting there. It's getting there. Ooh,
What'd you drop?
the lid. And the good thing about this is that when we're not with contact solution, you have to add shaving cream to your slime
No, you don't.
to activate it. One time I tried it with just normally glue and it didn't work. I was just seriously.
Okay,
I
I'll
got
put
so
some
mad.
more.
Yeah, that's good.
Ooh, that was too much.
Yeah, it's okay though.
Actually, we did.
You will have to get your hands messy for this.
Sorry, guys. We're just letting you know.
Some people actually wear gloves, and I'm just that's not fun.
Yeah.
I mean, if you
And you don't
just
even
got
get
your
to-
nails done, I mean, girl, I understand. But
So
if you just got your nails
this
done,
is
why do you
what's-
want to make slime?
This is what's kind of left in the container.
Mm-hmm.
Poke that. It doesn't stick to me really.
Can you put activator in this just a little bit? Yeah.
Not too much like I did before.
Yeah, you were like.
Okay, so see, this is now activating the
Should we
slime.
just, like, see them when this is activated? Because look at my hands.
Okay, so
We'll see when it's activated.
bye guys.